Hey, it's Aaron. If you're watching this right now, maybe you're checking out Smiley360 and maybe you're wondering, can you really get products to sample from this particular company so that you can actually use them for yourself, benefit that way? Let's check it all out. On this channel, I've reviewed hundreds of different ways to get rewards, to make money, to generate more wealth. And I always review different websites and apps to see if they're legit. So let's find out whether Smiley360 is the real deal or not, okay? Now, these guys have been around for quite a long time. They're basically a product testing platform. So if you're interested in getting free product and testing it out, and then obviously you have to review it and post it on social media, then this might be the website for you. You can just come to smiley360.com. You can click sign up here, fill in all your details, all right? Now, here's the important thing to understand about Smiley360 is that it's only available in the US and Canada, all right? So if you're not living in these countries, you can't join Smiley360. Don't worry, stick around till the end of the video. I'm going to show you another cool way to generate, more income and rewards from the internet, okay, internationally. Now, if you are in the US and Canada, what you can do is you can create a profile right here. Now, this is very important. Once you get access to the back office of Smiley360, take the time to finish your profile, all right? So they're going to have a couple of surveys that you'll need to fill out. It's going to take 10 to 15 minutes to give them as many details as possible about you so that they can then decide, okay, what products can they actually send to you. Now, after that, you're going to have to apply to different missions, all right? So they call them missions, and every mission is basically a different type of product. And if you qualify for the mission, they will send you what's called a Smiley kit, all right? Now, in the Smiley kit, there will be a bunch of different products that you can use and you can test for yourself, right? So they give it to you for free, but in exchange for getting that product, you do need to share your feedback. And this is very, very important, right? Because if you don't share your feedback on social media, on TikTok, on YouTube, on Instagram, on Facebook, then they're not going to continue to send you free products that you can sample, all right? So once you get the Smiley kit, you would essentially go onto YouTube, onto TikTok, onto Instagram, review the product, let the world know, let your friends know, your connections know what you think about the product, and that's pretty much it, okay? Now, the whole thing about Smiley360 is that it is basically a way for them to get their clients and their products out into the world and into the marketplace, and for you to share more details about it. So for them, it's kind of free marketing. For you as a sampler, as a tester, you get free product, okay? But you don't receive any money. You don't receive any other rewards. It's really just sampling some free products, and they've got all sorts of different products. They've got food items, candy, drinks, probiotics, snacks, detergent, things like that, right? So it ranges from all sorts of different categories, but stuff that you can generally consume and use in your home, all right? So if that's something that you want to do, if you're based in the US and Canada, then you can sign up for it. Sometimes you don't, you get a little bit unlucky and you're not going to get a Smiley kit, but if you fit the right criteria and you're based in the US and Canada, and you try a few times and you're active, then you should be able to get a Smiley kit that you can test products for yourself. So I would say that it's okay. It depends on what your goals are. If you're here because you just want to get some free product and you don't mind doing some reviews and testimonials to share to your social media base and your friends and family, then this could be a cool way to get some free product, right? Unfortunately, they're not going to pay you for the reviews. The payment is really the product that you're going to use, right? So it's cool to get a bit of free product, but you're not making any money this way. It's not really going to help you to necessarily change your life, or it's not going to make you more income. You can't quit your full-time job out of this because there's no real monetary money that's being transacted, or then they're not giving you rewards that way, all right? So just for some free product, if you don't mind jumping on social media, then you can do this. Remember though, that you have no control of the products that they're sending you. So it could be something that's really decent, but sometimes they send stuff that's not great either, right? So sometimes they're just some really low quality products from China, and you have to be okay with that if you want to get some free products. So if you want to do that, you can come right here, sign up, become a member, make sure you fill out your profile, and then hopefully they will send you a Smiley kit, okay? Now, if you're here watching this video and you've never been on my channel before, on this channel, I review all sorts of different websites, products, apps services that help you to become more successful, generate more income, and get rewards. All right. Now, out of all the strategies that I've tested, there's one that helped me to completely change my life. So if you would like to find out my favorite way to generate income, become more wealthy on the internet, I've got a free masterclass that you can access right below this video in the comment section. Hope you enjoyed this review of Smiley360, and I will see you on the next one. Take care.